In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord soundboard not showing in your server. If your soundboard isn't appearing where it should, don't worry. We'll walk through several checks and settings you can adjust so the soundboard shows up properly and works the way you expect. First, open Discord on your desktop or browser and head to the server where the soundboard is missing. Make sure you actually have the correct permissions in that server. You generally need to be an admin, or at least have permission to manage the server or soundboard features. If you're not sure, ask a server admin to confirm your role and permissions. If you don't have the right permissions, the soundboard simply won't show up for you. Next, check that you're in a voice-enabled channel. The soundboard only appears in voice channels, not in text channels. Click on any voice channel in the server and join it. Once you're inside the voice channel, look at the bottom of your screen where the voice controls are. That's where the soundboard button should normally appear. If you're not in a voice channel, you won't see it at all. Now, let's look at the server's settings. Click the server name at the top left, then go into Server Settings. Here, look for any section related to soundboard, voice, or community features. Depending on how Discord has updated the interface, this may be grouped with other voice settings. Make sure the soundboard feature is enabled for the server. If it's turned off or restricted to specific roles, adjust those settings or assign yourself a role that has access. While you're in settings, it's a good idea to review any integrations or bots that might be handling sounds. If your server relies on a specific bot for soundboard functions, make sure that bot is online, has the correct permissions, and is allowed to connect to voice channels. If everything looks correct in the server, but the soundboard still isn't visible, try some basic troubleshooting on your own device. Close Discord completely and reopen it, or log out and log back in. Check for Discord updates and install any available updates, since soundboard features can change between versions. If you're on the web version, consider trying the desktop app, or vice versa. Finally, if nothing works, test another server. Join a different server that you know has soundboard enabled. If it appears there, the problem is likely with the original server's settings. If it doesn't appear anywhere, it's more likely an issue with your account or app, and you may want to reach out to Discord support. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to get your Discord soundboard showing up properly in your server.